Alright guys, Gary Jahman here, what's up? And I got a quick video today about this DJI mic mini. There's a lot of buzz going on about this wireless microphone, you know, that it's like small, compact and works fine and everything. I'm using now a shotgun mic from Rode, the Video Micro. I'm not even sure what it is, like I bought it many years ago, even secondhand I think. But let's do a quick unboxing. I'm not going to prepare any like fancy stuff with overhead cams and everything, just do a quick unboxing and show you what's up, if this is a great wireless microphone or not. Filming now on the Sony ZV-E10 by the way. So just gonna quickly unbox it. There's a little like foam, or not foam, like plastic. We're gonna peel that off. And see what's inside. So I bought the one with just the transmitter and the what is called transmitter and receiver, and it has a mobile phone things in it. That's pretty much it, you know. It's not that much stickers, papers that we're never going to use at all. So it comes in this plastic pouch or bag, and in this bag we have a pouch with a little zipper in it. Ooh. What is this? This looks like a USB-C thing connector. Not interested in that. It's quite nice to have a little pouch and everything. This right here is I think the receiver. Nice small receiver that you can use. You can like directly put or connect to your smartphone, that you can also directly connect to your camera. So quite small, I like that. And then we got, of course, the transmitter. It is really small. I hope that is able to see that. Come on, ZV-E10, CV-E10, are you able to focus on this? Not on my hands. All right, anyways. That is the magnet. So that's pretty nice. So let's put it here on my shirt. That's nice. That's pretty cool. All right. What else do we got? We got here some other little things. This is the what's called how to charge it, I believe. I think so. It says USB-C port on it as well. A little USB-C connector to your phone. If you got a USB-C port on your phone, I don't, because I still have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which just has the lightning port. You got two wind muffs actually. A black one and a gray one. So depending on your mood, I guess. Don't know. And then finally, I think we just got the charging cables. The receiver to your phone. Oh man. Such a worse unboxing. And nice charging cables. Anyways, so really curious if this works, so let's connect it. Okay, I think now it should be okay. I got it here connected. What do you think about the audio quality? Is it nice? Is it good? I'm not sure. So I put it on +6, the camera on -6 or at 6. So what do you think about the audio quality about this? Nothing was edited in post whatsoever, just directly how you use it, and without no post-processing as a lot of YouTubers do. So straight out of the camera, what do you think? Or straight out of the camera, straight out of the microphone, what do you think? I don't know. I will just jump in and just let you know what I think about this. So check out the link down in the description. I just wanted to find out if this is like a nice thing to have. And right now I think it's really small. Doesn't fall from my shirt like in some other cases where the transmitter is quite large. And this, yeah, I think it's okay. I hope my voice sounds pretty normal. Like I have quite a bassy voice in real life, so really wondering if this also transfers into the video or into the audio right now. So yeah, all right. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I will be testing this out for more, like also outdoors and stuff and everything, just to find out if this is really a good thing or just something that a lot of like YouTubers, just because they got sponsored by DJI, they just praise this thing, or you know, is it good or not for normal people just like you and me, you know, or at least normal-ish. You know what I mean, right? Anyways, see you in the next one. Good luck. Bye-bye. All right, so I'm editing the video, listening to the audio, and honestly, it kind of feels a little bit muffled. So this is right here, the Sonicake wireless microphone, very cheap for 60 bucks or so, or even 50 bucks, even less maybe, I don't know anymore. But this sounds better because now I have it straight to my face. But maybe if I switch it real quick, maybe we can have similar audio quality. Let's check it out. So now I have the DJI Mic Mini. I think now it should be okay. I think if it's closer to my face, closer to my mouth, the way that I talk to it. I don't know. What do you think? I think in general, just if I put it here on my shirt again. I think now it's a little bit muffled or something. I don't know. It sounds okay-ish. So yeah, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below.